Okay guys, let's continue from where we stopped in the other video. And if you remember in the other video, we were talking about designing a website using DV Builder, right? And we already let me open up the website, right? I already showed you how to design the website using the Visual Builder. So we wanted to start designing the website using the DV Builder, like the what's the word again, the default builder. Okay, so I remember explaining to us that one of the most important things that you want to know, that you want to really have at the back of your mind about designing a website, is that there are three major aspects, or let's say structure. There are three major structural form that a website takes. Okay, three major structural forms that makes up a full page on a website. The number one is, like I explained earlier, the section. Then after the section there's the row, and after the row then there's the module. Okay, inside one section there could be one row or two rows, right? Inside a row there could be more than one modules. For instance, see this section, there are three rows inside of it, and in each of the rows there are three modules, right? See this section, there are four rows. In one of the rows you could see two modules here, nine modules here, one module here. So that's how it works. So if you want to do a very professional and good job, you want to make sure that you understand the concept of the section, module and row. Okay, so I already showed you how to. I remember that in the last video we edited this section, the first section on the website, this particular page. Now this is the first section, right? This section with this building in the background and just looking for a home, blah 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 blah. Okay, so I showed you to edit this section. You come here, you click on those three lines, you scroll down. In the section, the most important thing in the section there is the house, the building, the exit that we had to change to this particular building, right? So now the next thing I want to do is let's work on the module, the row. And to do that, all you have to do is come here, there's three lines here that says settings, click on it, and you go down. Now for the rows, they are there's the background color. Let me show you. For this row now, right, this is the row, looking for a perfect home, blah blah blah. This is the row. Then the row has looking for a perfect home as a column. We have the best homes in as another module rather. Check out our homes as a module. Contact us and all those stuff. Free consultation, as all those things are modules. So in the row now, there's really nothing to edit per se. There's really nothing to edit. Let's check this. There's really nothing to edit here. There's really nothing to edit. We don't want to touch anything here. Let's go to design. Just leave everything the way it is. And at times you can click here. See this stuff here? I'm sure you can see it. You click here to view. To have like a preview. You click there to have like a preview of the whole thing. what you are working on. That's where you click to have like a preview of what you're working on, and if you're satisfied with what you see, you save and exit. Okay, so there's nothing we want to edit on the row level. So let's go to the let me see. I want to check something. Okay, there's nothing to edit here. So let's go to the module level now. Let's go to the module level. This is the first module here that is on this part of the so let's check what we have here. Looking for a perfect home. We've edited that. Check out our homes, right? We edited all of these stuffs, remember? So let me show you again. So come here. You want to edit title, you write what you want to add here. Let's say looking for a perfect home. And of course the question mark. Okay, come here, check out our homes. That's how you edit. Okay, check out our homes. Then that's the button text. Now check out our homes is the button text. Remember this button, right? So sorry, then there's this text here. We have the best homes, blah blah blah. So you could just edit it too. I just edited it by replacing this text with what was there before. Okay, leave every other thing for now the way it is, right? Leave every other thing for now the way it is. The button link URL, this is where this button now, remember I explained that this button here is supposed to lead to another page. Maybe that page will be the page where we're going to be listing all of the houses that are available for sale. Okay, so when we create that page, you now carry the link of that page and come and put it here. Where there's this button link URL. You put a link here so that whenever anybody clicks on that link on the page on the website, it's going to lead them straight to that page. Okay, so we are done. Save and exit. Go to the next one. Click on test. Let's edit this one. So this one now, this is the test we have. Remember, I've already edited it. So let me show you how to do it again. Contact us. Delete it. Let me add it back. Right? You want to change the size of this one. Of course, click on heading. You can make it heading 2. You can make it heading 1. We're going to leave it at heading 3. Leave it at heading 3. Then if you want to edit this one, right? You want to edit this one. You know what? I'm sure you already know what to do. Let me delete and paste back. So to edit this one, you come here, paragraph. That's where if you want to change the size. Okay, it's not giving us an option to edit it, so leave it that way, the way it is. You want to design, like you want to change the text color. This is where you do all the designing. Change the text font, change the text color, change the text size. Okay, this is where you change the size and everything. This is where you change the text color. Then you come down here. This is where you change the text orientation. You leave it here. You can put it in the center and everything. But I'm leaving it here. That's where I want it. That's how I want it to be. Then for the heading, this heading now, this contact us is the heading in that particular row. Contact us. You can change it to H1, H2, H3 here too. You can heading font, leave it at default. Heading font width regular. You can change it from regular to bold to get semi bold and all that stuff. But we're leaving it at regular. You can change it to slanty and blah blah blah. You can change the color, change the size, change all of it. This way you edit all of that stuff, okay? But for now, I don't need to edit all of those things in this particular point because I like it the way it is. But your own case, if you don't like it, you might want to edit it, right? So everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. The margins, everything is perfect here. I save and exit. So we are done with this. Okay, let me see. Let's check out the button here. Free consultation. Now this free consultation, what you want to do is when you have created the contact us page, you can come and put the link here. Put the link here of the contact us page here. When you put the link here, whenever they click on that free consultation, it's going to lead them to the contact us page so that they can contact you or the business for free consultation. Okay, then that's that for that. So the next thing we want to work on is the next section. What is the next section now? We click here. We click on this stuff between save and add to library and save and exit. You click here to view what exactly is in the next section. Okay, this is what we have in the next section, right? And that's the only thing we have in the next section. So that's what we want to edit now. Okay, that's what we want to edit now. So let's leave here. Let's go straight. Let's head over to the module area. Let's see if we want to. If there's anything in the module area that we want to change. So it has 3 columns, right? So let me show you something. Let me just show you something. Let's say I want to change these 3 columns now. Let's say I want to change them to, I want to change the color, the background color of each of the column, or let's say the background color of the middle column to like orange, right? Let me show you. Let's say I want to change column 1, column 2. So let's say I want to change this one to orange. I'm sure you see what I'm doing. I clicked on this, and I clicked on the plus sign. Come here. This is the orange color. Abby. Okay, let me use this one. Let me save. Let me view. Let's view. You see now? You see the difference, right? So let's say I save and I exit and I come here and I update. Don't forget to update. Don't ever make any major changes. And I update. And I come here. Refresh to view the change. You can see. You see that it changed color, right? So we can either leave it like this if that's what we want. We can either leave it like this or take it back to white. Okay, we can either leave it like this or we take it back to what, to white. But I'm going to take it back to white. I don't want it to be like this. I'm going to take it back to white. Also, make sure you're using, don't let the color that you're going to be using on your website, I think I mentioned that before, make sure that the colors are consistent. For instance, in my own case, I'm trying to use orange, but this orange here is different from this orange here, and this orange here is different from this orange here, kind of. So you want to make sure the colors you're using are consistent. How do you do that? You go to Google. If it's orange you want to use, you type orange color code on Google. So these are the color codes. So let's say I pick this. Let me pick this now. Copy it. Come here. Let's come here. You go to design. Go to title color. This is the title color. You click on it, you come here, you add that color code, paste, right? you save and exit. Come here, let's do that for the next I think that's the only thing that color we changed. Okay, let's change the color of the button too. Check out our home, that button. So we come here, same thing, we go to button. No, not this one, not free consultation button. We go to this text here, no, this one here too. We come to design, scroll down, is it button text color? Is it the button text color or the button background color? Yes, button background color. Button, I think, is it the background color or the border color? Yes, background color. Click on settings, add the code here, right? Go down to border color, button border color, add the code here, add the code, you get save and exit, update. Let's check what we have. Taking a bit of time to load because of the network, I suppose. Taking a bit of time to load. Let me pause this and know what's wrong. Okay, we are back. It has loaded completely. You notice something here. You see that these two are the same color now. That's what you want to do. So I can use that same particular color code to use that same color code for every of anything I want, anything that has to do with orange color on this website. Okay, so that's what you want to make sure to do. Use a particular color code. And you will notice that the font, the text that was here before, has disappeared. I don't know why. So let's check here. The check here is no longer here too. So all we need to do is put it back. But I didn't have that saved anywhere. So that's why in your own case, you want to have the information you are using, you want to have them saved, right? You want to have them like somewhere, so that if anything like this happens, you are easily able to, put them back. So let me just add something again here. Looking for a perfect home. Check out our homes. We have what's happening? Okay. It's not letting me edit now. Have great homes, great and well furnished homes. Homes in our estates spread across, which is spread across Nigeria, across every major city in Nigeria. Two 247 power supply, water supply, security, CCTV cameras, and what else? We can say Wi-Fi, internet connection, depending on what they have in their facilities. Internet connection, I'm just adding this from off my head. Internet connection, service lanes, etc. What you will find present in all our homes and estates. And they are very affordable. Full stop. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Okay, save and exit. Update. Okay. Let's take a look at it. Okay, now we're back in business. So I'm gonna go. I don't want this color yet, so I'm gonna go remove it. I think that's here. Okay, so come back here. Let's go to that particular column background 2, background color. Let's remove it. The delete button, remove it. View, good to go. Save and exit. Right, so now let's edit the content. Module 1, let's take a look at what we have at module 1. Home for sale. Let's see if we want to leave that. Home for sale, commercial property, list your property. Home for sale, commercial property, home for rent, rental services. Okay, let's leave this as home for sale. Let's leave it at home for sale. Then let's come down. The second thing we want to edit here is this particular content here. So we have homes for sale. let's change this particular one and let's change it. We have let's say you have to be creative when you want to do stuff like this. You want to be creative, you want to visit other websites that are relating to that particular business or that particular website you are building. You want to visit other websites like that to see what they are doing, right? To see what they are doing. So you can just copy one or two things from there. Let's just do this, guys. Okay, you can do home for lease, homes for sale, homes for lease. You understand? You can see now. What makes blah 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 budget conscious, agents as a service, best price guarantee, blogs and all that stuff. So okay, so I think we can just get one or two information from here. Or let me look for another one. Website, real estate websites in Nigeria. Let's open this one. It's almost the same thing. For sale, for rent. I want to Porsche Estate. Not really what I'm looking for. That's not what I'm looking for. Right. So let me go back and see if there's a website that is let me check this out. Remember that most of the time your client is going to give you most of the information you need that they want to be on their website. Okay, then at other times when they don't give you, they want to come here to look for, let's check for Mona Real Estate then, since it's something they are recommending. Mona Real Estate. Let's check for their website, monarealestate.com. Okay. Home. This is their home. Let's see. Long-standing expertise, blah 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 blah. Get in touch with Mona. Check out our featured listings. Not really what I'm looking for, but I can also get some information from here too. Let's say Want to buy? Do you want to sell a property? Want to make an investment? Want to buy a property? No. Okay, let me just add that stuff myself. I don't have time to be checking these things. But in your own case, you want to check, like you want to spend time. You want to spend time checking. So thought we saw something here. Buy, rent. Okay. I thought we saw something here. We could use. Let me check this out. I just want the content that we could use, so I don't get to start typing from the top of my head. I don't have such time. Okay, we are looking at the first one, which is home for sale. Home for sale. Say we have homes for sale available for sale in our estates, or in Lagos, in major cities, Nigeria. Right? We have homes available for sale in major cities in Nigeria. I think I'm just going to stick with it. To browse through them, click on the link below, click on the button below. Right, let's save and exit. So okay, this is good enough. We save, exit. We go to the button part. The button says listings. Right, it says listings. We want to leave it at listings. View listings. Let's add view listings. Save and exit. Come here. The next one here says commercial properties. I wanted to change that to. I will leave it. Then we'll come here and say some guys. Why did I even choose real estate stuff to design stuff? Okay, let's just continue. Commercial properties. Commercial properties. Let's go to Google and they tell us what are commercial properties. Okay, it's a real estate that is used for business activities. We also have properties that can be used for business purpose. Okay, let's use that. We also have properties that can be used for business purposes. We also have properties can be used that are strictly for business purposes. Let's say stuff like plazas. Let me use that can be used. Plazas, offices, rental, blah blah blah, all across major cities in Nigeria. Don't mind my lame content. Before you design your own website, you want to make sure that your client gives you quality information, and also that you gather content yourself, put together content yourself that are very good. Okay, so we also have properties that can be used for business across Lagos. Click on the button below to view. Click on the button below to see them. Click on the button below to view them. Okay, let's just leave this as this. We save and exit. Come to the button area. Remember, we changed it to view listings. We save and exit. Come to, remember, all this button area I'll show you in this next part. Come to this one that says this is your property. You can say homes for rent. Remember, the one I'll say homes for sale. Although there's some kind of, if it's a real estate website you are designing, some of the companies that might be designing for might tell you that they want a portal where people can come and list their own properties. Okay, but if that's not the case, you can just say, if it's just a one, like the real estate company has everything, like everything is inside, they don't require anything from anybody outside, they don't want anybody outside to come and list their properties. You can just say homes or apartments for rent. List the property, apartments for rent. Apartment for rent. View. Okay. Close this. Shit. Okay, looking to rent an apartment. A very good apartment. We have got you covered. Click the button below. To see the several apartments you can rent in any part of Nigeria. Okay, then we save and exit. Then we come here. Then I wanted to talk about the button. Yes, this button, more info. You can say view apartments. View apartments. You can always change any content to suit. So a button link URL. Okay, let's say for instance on this website now there might be, of course, this view listings. I already mentioned that you can create, you're going to have to create a page for it where all the websites are going to be listed. For example, see this part now. Let me use this one. Let me use this one. Let me use this. Now all these things are listings for sale. This one you see for sale, for sale, for sale, for sale. You see their details, their pricing and everything. So you're going to build a particular page for that to add these things. Okay, to add all of these things, you're going to build a particular page for that. Then when you build that page, you come here, you add the link of that page. Okay, add the link of that page. So if you have a page for, if you have a page for the rental, if you have a different page for the rental apartments, you add them here. You come to this, create the page, and you come to this button link URL, and you add the page. You add the page here. If you have a different page for rental apartments, you come to this button link URL, and you add the page link here. Okay, save and exit. Come to this button area here. You add the link of the listing page here for the sale, the ones for sale, the listing, the page where you created listings for sale. You add them here. If both the rental page, if both the apartments for rent and houses for sale are in the same listing page, right, you just put the same link that you put here. You put the same link here. Okay, then we update. Wait for it to get updated. We'll come back here. Refresh. Let's see what we got. Refresh, and you see, right, it's looking like what we want. Okay, it's looking like what we want. So the next thing is the next section we want to touch. This is the next section we want to touch. So we come back here. Let's go to the next section. This is the next section, right? So let's see if there's anything we want to change in this section area. Nothing. The background is cool. All these things we want to 30 days property dealing, blah blah, this stuff. Now this particular building, do we want to change the building? This test will help you find, we will find you a perfect space, browse listings, all that stuff. Okay, let's go and edit that part. So we'll just go straight to the module area because the settings, the session area and the other area would like it the way it is. So let's go straight to the module area. Test. Nothing. Let's check this area. The row. Nothing here. So how come this? Okay, let me see what's going on here. Let's come back here. Let's check through all of them to see. Check here. Okay, these are building. Let's add another. Let's upload image. This should be the building. 800 by 613 pixels. This one is what? This one is too big. Okay, let's try this first. Set as image. is actually too big. Let me see. Let's update and see. In another video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the size of some of the images you get online to suit the purpose, like to suit the size of what is demanded. Okay, see, this one is too big here, right? Even though it's not looking bad. For me, it's not looking bad actually, but it's big. It's bigger than what was there before. Okay, but for me, it's not actually looking bad. I like it. I like what we have here. Okay. So I think we'll stick with this, but in another video, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how to edit a particular software I use to edit an image. Okay, not this time not Canva, to edit an image to fit into the particular size that is demanded, that was there before. Okay, so we come back here. Let's take a look at the other stuffs. The image, let's take a look at the button area. Browse listings. Okay, button, save and exit. But the text, I don't know why the text is not displaying. That's what I was looking for before. We will find you a perfect space. We will find you the perfect space. We have great estates. In Nigeria, across Nigeria. So we have great estates across Nigeria. Come here. So we have great estates across Nigeria. Let me edit this part to let me use what we already have somewhere here to save us time, right? So let me say let me use this. Let me just use this. Let me use this. Come back here. Paste. Right. Okay. Save and exit. Remember, our button is great. Our button is view listings and it's great. Okay. This video is getting like very long. I don't want it to be too long and this, but I'm sure you already get the gist. You apply the same thing on each of the modules, on each of the I don't want this video to be too long, so you apply the same thing on each of the modules. You come here, image, this is the image that is there. We want to change it. Okay, you want to change it. What do you want to change this to? Let's come here. What is that particular part talking about? Okay, what is this part talking about? It's talking about budget. Okay, we'll help you find an agent. If you're looking for an agent, you work with your budget, find an agent. So this find an agent part is definitely going to lead to contact us page, right? Contact us page, or you can say contact us. You can put contact us here, depending on what information the client gives you. If the client says if they're like an agency, you can just put find an agent. Okay, or contact us. So this is what we have here. So do you want to change this image here? You want to change it, you want something that has to do with Naira, blah blah blah. You want a different image here, you want a picture of somebody, that you want somebody's picture to be there, whatever image you want to put here. Okay, you remove this one. remove this one and put another image there. But I'm not going to do that to save time. You already understand how to change images. So what I need to teach you now is how to edit an image to take up the size of let's say if I want to take up the size of what was there before, what needs to be there to take up the shape, the image, the size. I'm going to teach you that later. So that's that for the image. Come to the test area. We have this, we work with your budget, blah blah blah. Let's use that same content to copy that time. Okay, so just for you to know that, okay, you can add another content there, right? You can add another content there. Come to the button, it's up time, you say find an agent, you can put contact us. So you now add the link to the contact us page there. Okay, save and exit. The same thing to here, test, same thing to here, list your property and let us do the rest. You can change that to want to rent what kind of apartment do you want? What kind of apartment do you want? Do you need? Right? So this part will talk about the rentage. Let me add the content of the rentage here. Talk about the rentage part. I'm sure you understand what we are trying to achieve now. In your own case, you're not going to be having to do this. Okay, I'm just trying to use this dummy content to show you exactly how it is done. Okay, you save and you exit. Then come the button here. I think the button here is register for free. Contact us, can still use contact us, or book consultation, book an appointment today, book consultation. Okay, reach out to us or find an apartment. Find an apartment. So we'll put the link to the the listing part where they can find an apartment to rent. Okay, you come here, you change this image. Okay, change this image. You can see that some of these images are designed like they were designed. Okay, so you can use Canva to design some of these things. Save and exit. Save and exit. So this is the next one. Come here. Test. Recent listings. Edit these things. Let me show you how it is here. So this is where we are now. Recent listings. Right? Recent listings. So you're going to edit all of these things. Button, image, button, all this content here. Edit everything. So when they click on view listing, it's going to take them to the listing page. Right? View listing takes them to the listing page, or to the particular page. You know, each of these listings, they will have their own separate pages. Like when you're adding a house, when you're adding a property for listing, you're going to be adding them like you are adding a product on an e-commerce website. So once you click on that particular house, it takes them to a single page, or a single product or house page, listing or property page, where they get to see all the information about that particular property. And you know, if they want it, they now click on contact us, or click on buy, or click on whatever that is on the whatever button that's going to be on the page. Okay, so let me show you how to edit it using just one. So recent listings, leave that. These are some of our recent listings. This These are some of our recent listings. These are some of our recent listings, right? Across, these are some of our recent. These are some of our properties across our estates in Nigeria. Across all our estates, across all our estates in Nigeria. Okay, you save. Let me see if there's anything down there. Nothing. So you just save and exit. This search, you can remove it if you don't want for them to search, or you can just leave it there. Let's see what if you want to edit the search by city. You can just put, if you have that if you are building a very huge website, real estate website, that people can search by city. Okay, you can put it there. People can search by the kind of property they want. Is it bungalow? Is it by cities? You can say in Lagos, real estate in Lagos, real estate in Enugu, real estate in Port Harcourt, properties in Abuja, properties in Imo, all that stuff. So when you are listing your properties, you're going to add their city. So when they say search by city, when they search Imo, all the properties in Imo will just pop up. You understand the gist? Okay, so we can leave it as search by city and then just save and exit. Then let's just do only this. When I do this, you know that you can use that idea to work on the rest. So go to image. See this image now, I want to change it. Just go to Google and download a duplex for sale in Lagos. Go to images, just download one fine duplex. Let me just do this no time. Save image as save. Come here, let's add it here. Upload files, select files. This is what we just downloaded. Open. Set as image. Save and exit. Right, we are good to go. Then go to button. Button says view listing. You can leave it like that. Then come to text. Let's edit this text. Okay. I can just say semi-detached duplex, semi-detached, 3-bedroom duplex. Right, put the price. Let's say the price is, we are doing naira now, right? So put it in naira and say 50 million. 50 million naira. Of course, your client is going to give you the information. So blah blah blah, 5 beds, 3 baths. This is the address. The address will not be let's say the address is 23 Church Street. I'm just creating something out of my head. Church Street, Lekki, phase 1. Phase 1. Come here. Lekki, phase 1. Lagos State. Okay. I think that's it. Save and exit. So you use that idea of what I just showed you now to work on the rest. So let me update so you see how it is. I'm sorry about the noise in the back, all this noise you're hearing in the background. I just had to do this like now. Not while I do these stuff in the night. Okay, so as you can see our guy here, the guy we just worked on now. You can see it's looking like what we want it to look like. Okay, remember your client is going to give you all this information, the pictures of their properties, the information about their properties. So you do this, right? You do this. So you see, well, let's leave it. Okay, so let's go back here. What other things did we change? Okay, we changed this. You can see find an apartment. So you see that it is what the way we did it. Work with your body, contact us. We changed that to. So you see that the website is taking shape. Right? I just want us to finish this part. So we come down. Let's go back over to the next section. We're not going to touch anything on this section again because the next section says it's a button. Let's look at the button that is there. It said view all listings. It is great. We don't want to touch that. View all listings is great to take them to the listing page. Right, so let's come here. View all listings. Right, let me just show you. Let's go view all listings. So when you have a page for the listings, you just put the link to the page here. So when they click on view all listings, it takes them directly to that particular page where you have all of the listings. So these are testimonials. Let me edit one testimonial. Come here. The testimonial name, you can say Mr. Samuel Frank. Of course, your client is going to give you the name of the client, okay, and the client testimonial. Come here. Wow, I'm so glad I did business with. I am so glad I did business with. I'm so glad I did business with Elite Homes. Their services were great. And the home I bought from them, is just perfect. Okay, these are testimonial, right? Let's come down and see what else. Okay, client image. Let's go and look for Mr. Samuel's image and add. I'm going to add, let me see, I should have an image here I can add. Okay, let me see. So let's see, these are Mr. Samuel. Boom, save and exit. Right? So let's just do the remaining things that are there. Let's do the remaining things before we update. So after testimonial, I did one testimonial. You can add as many testimonials as you want. So a real estate agent you can trust, blah blah blah, no reading fees, free property appraisals, blah blah blah. So this is the next thing we want to work on now. A real estate agent you can trust. Let's come here and say a real estate company you can trust. Let me add a couple of stuff here. We are your perfect blog. Your perfect plug. You are your perfect plug when it comes to real estate. Real estate in Nigeria. We deliver top-notch products, top-notch properties, and customer service. Let's leave it at this. Okay, let's leave it at this. Then we save and exit. Then let's come to this. Let's just edit this particular blurb. So no hidden fees. So we come here, we saw something here that we want to use. No, not this one. Let's come back to Nigeria houses. We saw something there we want to use, right? Budget conscious agents at your service. So let's just use something like this. Budget conscious, copy, paste, come back here. We believe everyone should be able to rent a home or buy a home, whatever, blah blah blah. Come here, paste. Okay, save and exit. Oh, we didn't add an image. They want us to add image. Image and icon. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this image and icon. Okay, let's leave it that way. We don't want to change anything. It's fine. So save and exit. So use the same way to work on the other ones. Okay, so these are where you talk about the core value of the companies, the 3 core value or 4 core values or 2 core values of the company. What makes them different from other companies? Okay, if it's your website, what makes your business different from other businesses? Then the call to action. Let's look at what the call to action is like here. Start your search today, blah blah blah, find an agent, grab your perfect home today. Let's use that. Grab your perfect home today for the call to action. For the call to action, there is an image there. If we want to change the image, let's see on the section level, the background image. There's an image there, so let's change it. Background image. Let's change it to one of those properties images we uploaded already. Where are those buildings we downloaded that time? Okay, let's change to this again. Set as background, save and exit. So call to action. Start to search today. Find your perfect home today. Right? Contact us now. Contact us. Let me add now. So when you're done, the button here will be the button text, the button link. The link to the button will be the contact us page. Okay, so come here, what do you want to put? Let me see what call to action they have here. Almost all websites have a call to action at the end. Find your neighborhood. Okay, let's see something. You can see this. Let's see if these guys have a call to action. These guys don't have a call to action. They don't have a call to action. Okay. Yes, you can add CEO, right? Services. Okay, I think okay, but I'm sure you understand how to do this already. You understand how to do this. So let's just copy this and put there. So whatever website you are designing, the idea is to understand how to work with the sections, rows and modules. If you understand how to work with section, rows and modules, you are good to go. Then all of those other contents, whatever you see on the website, you can just mimic it. Just change the content and put whatever that you want to be there, whatever your client wants to be there. Okay, so let's look at what we've done from the beginning. Find your perfect home today. Okay, so we are good to go. You can see, so if peradventure this is what we want to be on our home page, we are done with our home page design. That's the truth. See how Mr. Samuel Frank, happy buyer, happy renter, blah blah blah. Find your perfect home, blah blah blah. Contact us. Okay, so in another video I'm going to show you how to add a footer. This designed by Elegant Themes, powered by WordPress. You don't want it, we remove it and add something that we want, something that talking about you. You can add if you have a business, you can add your business at the footer, designed by, you add your business name and stuff like that. Okay, so I want to show you something, or not. Let's leave it. This video is already too long. So in another video I'm going to show you how to do this exact same thing. If you want to design your about us page, I'm going to just show you how to import the layout for the about us page and how to import the layout for all of the other pages. Okay, then you edit it using the same principle of section, row and module, section, row and module, section, row and module. Edit section at a time, module at a time, row at a time. Okay, you understand? So that's how it works. So let's say in another video, after importing all of those about us templates, about us layout and template and contact us, whatever other templates that will need to be on the website, I'm going to remove everything and start afresh to show you how to design a different kind of website. So this time we use real estate, and it's kind of difficult for me because actually I've never designed a real estate website before. I've not had that kind of a client. Also, it's not like real estate website is not like the other kind of website. Most of the other kinds of website, what we just have is the home page, about us page, contact us page, services. There's no need for listings and all that stuff. Okay, so the next kind of website I will build is a website that has the normal conventional 5-page website. Home, about us, services, contact us. That's 4. Yes, home, about us, service, contact us page. Okay, so that's going to be what we're going to do in another subsequent video. I'm just going to show you the layout. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the layout, so when you want to design, you just import the layout and design it using the using the section, row and module formula we already talked about. So stop this video right here. See you in the next video.